How y'all doing? How's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody is being great. Today, as you guys can see, it is another shoe haul, another ego haul. Yes, I went over there and I see a couple of things that I like. So they ain't coming to play with y'all girls this time. So as we all know, outside is open. Spring is coming on and Summer 2 is right around the corner. So I went over and got some open toe shoes that we could wear out. Outside is opening up little by little. You know, we could go out, hang out with the girls, go on a date, and do some good, fun stuff. So I did went over there and I copped me a couple of things. But before we start, hi, if you're new on this channel, thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for checking me out. And I know you are going to subscribe before you leave this channel. And if you are old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. So without me rambling too much, why don't you get into the video? If you want to see what your girl got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, as you guys know, it does always come in this box. It's a Ego with their website name on it. Guys, I got me some good shoes, man. Some good, nice pair of shoes. This is the first pair. I'm only going to show you guys one. This black pair. Let me put it next to my shirt. You guys will be able to see it better right there. You'll see this black pair, a heel, a mule. It does have this string over here and also right here. The thing about this part right here is a little loose on my feet. I do wear size 8 for reference. You guys will see the video over here. I tried on. It is pretty high. It is, I'm not gonna say this one is a little bit uncomfortable. I don't know if it goes this way or if it goes this way, but I tried it this way. It was really loose, and I tried this way also and it was pretty loose also. I don't know if it's the size of the shoe that is a little bit bigger or something like that, but here's this one. It is cute, it is gorgeous. Y'all see this? Focusing on my face. Yes, really nice, really simple pair of shoes. You guys know it does also come with their Ego sign in here. And yeah, so cute, so gorgeous, and so nice. Okay, y'all, this is the second pair of shoes. This shoe right here. This one right here. Oh, it is so gorgeous. You guys see all the details on it? You guys see that chain over there? It is also a square toe, really sexy, really nice, and this tie around your ankle like so. You guys will see the video how I put it on, and it has this gold stiletto. You guys see this stiletto right here, this heel, this heel right here. Very cute, very gorgeous, and it does support your body pretty well. Very comfortable and all. I got this in this color, and I also got it in black. I'm not gonna, if I get there, I'll show you guys. But right now, this is the other one right here. I think I tried, no, I didn't try both of them on. I only tried this one on. But I do have it in a black also. Very gorgeous, very cute, and very nice. Okay, guys, this is the next pair of black heel that I got. It has this 3 strappy kind of thingy over here. It's this, I'm not still sure about this one yet. It's cute. It's cute, don't get me wrong, really cute. It has this heel over here. I don't know, man, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's really cute. It's also the square toe over here, and then this crunchy. It does fit well, but I feel like this crunchiness over here, the fact that they put both in the same spot, it won't stay back. I tried to try it with the back one. It won't stay on the back of my heel, but both of them are supposed to be one this way. So I don't know. Y'all will see it on my feet and let me know what you guys think. If it's cute or not, just let me know. I'm not sure about it yet. Still on the fence, but I kind of like it. It's not bad. Not bad. Alright guys, this is the black one of this one that I just showed you guys. This is the black one over here. Same thing, same really sexiness. That chain over there, square toes, and also the gold heel. Cute, comfortable, fits you pretty well, looks really, really sexy on the fit. Girl, ladies, get your toes done, okay, before you put this on, because it's going to take it up and above for you guys. It's so cute, so elegant, and so chic. I think I got a whole lot of black shoes. But here's another black pair. It is a tie. It's a long tie where you tie around your ankle, and it looks really cute. It does have this black chain detail over here. It is a round toe, like an oval kind of round toe. The heel is pretty high. I think it's higher than the other ones, because I think this is probably a 5 or something. With the heel, it is pretty cute. It is very comfortable. It does support your arch. The arch on your foot, it does support it, and it's so soft. It has the soft cushiony thingy over there on it. Wow, I didn't even realize it. Just touch. Wow, so cute and so nice. I really like this. Really nice and really cute. Okay, y'all, this is the next one. If you guys remember my last Eagle haul, I have this in like a tan brown thingy. I'll put the picture up here so you guys can see. But this one right here, I went ahead and bought the black one. Very cute. I ain't even gonna lie. That's the main reason why I got it in black. Easy meal. Slip your foot in there and you are good to go. All black outfit, or you could wear some colored outfit and use this as like the neutral to neutralize it a little bit. But yeah, so cute, so nice, so chic, very cute. Okay guys, this is the next one. This one also, I did have it in 2 colors. It is this shoe right here. Oh, it's so cute. So cute, so cute. I think I only try on the 10 one. I'm not sure. Whatever video pops up is the one that I tried on. I know I didn't try both of them on. So yes, guys, this is this heel right over here. It has all this diamond-y thingy on it. Can you guys see it? Yes, man. So cute, so chic, and so beautiful, guys. This goes to the back. It's a sling back. It goes to the back over here. Let me put it here. No. Let me move closer so you guys can see it. There you go. Oh, there you go. You guys see that? This is so gorgeous. Just brought this shoe out of its shell. Yes. And it has a clear heel also on it. This shoe is so gorgeous. It is good for a wedding, a birthday, girls night out, you know, date with the bae. You're gonna feel really sexy in this. I really, really like this shoe. For me to have 2 of it, if you don't know, now you know. If I like something, I take 2 different colors of it. But yeah, guys, this is what this one. Okay, y'all, if you guys remember also in my last Eco shoe haul, I did have this also in a brown tannish color. So yeah, I went ahead and got the black one also this time because I really like it. And they have it in black. Why not? Black is a staple in all closets. You have to have a black shoe in your closet. Yeah, guys, this is what this one looks like. A nice square toe over here. This is where your toes go, your big toe, and then your other toes goes over on this side. This shoe is just too cute and too gorgeous for me to pass by. It also has the gold heel over here. So cute and so chic. Really, really nice. I don't even think I've worn the 10 one. Honestly, I don't even think I want it bad. You know, a girl can never have too many shoes. It can never. But yeah, this is what this one is. Okay, y'all, this is the next one. I have one more and then we're done. I bought this one and I mistakenly bought 2 of it, so I have to return 1 of it. This is this little mule. If you guys know, there's a mule that I got from not from Shein, from Fashion Nova. That mule has become my staple. I really, really love that mule, so I decided to buy me another one that is like about the same. Let me see. Okay, it's right here. It's a little different. This one I got from Fashion Nova. It has a square toe and also this kind of bottom. This one has a chunky heel. This one has a chunky heel and also this big part, and it's around toe detail over there. You guys can see it is really cute though, really nice and really gorgeous. Now I have to return the other one that I have. Don't understand how in the world my behind got two of it, but it's not like it's the cutest one in the bunch, but you know, it'll do. So yeah, let's move on to the last one and we call it a day. Okay guys, this is the last pair of shoe. This shoe right here, this shoe is the one that got me to buy all these shoes that I got in the first place. This is what started me to be ordering these shoes in the first place. You ready? Ta-da! I've been trying to get this shoe on Public Desire for a long time, but my size, all of y'all that wear size 8 out there, respect yourself. But my size is always sold out every time. So when I saw it on Ego, I was like, no brainer, I'm buying it. So I bought it. I did it. So this is what this one look like. It is this nice, beautiful chestnut, I'm gonna say. Caramel. Ooh, y'all say caramel or you say caramel? Y'all know I have accent, so yeah. But this is what this one is, a sexy pointy toe, and with this strap over here, and it has this locket on it on the ankle. Let's put it together. Oh baby, you guys will see it on my feet what it looks like. I'm moving closer so you guys can see the details. This right here goes on your ankle. It's a sling back. Oh my god guys, this shoe right here, it is so gorgeous and so cute. I just love everything about it. You all see the heel again? I think it's like that staple heel kind of thing that is going around nowadays. This right here, it's gorgeous, so sexy, so beautiful and so cute. I really like this. I love it, love it. Can't wait to actually style it and go out with it. Ooh. Ooh. Do y'all see the vision? Do you guys see the vision? You guys put out on this haul already from Misguided. Do y'all see the vision? So cute and so sexy. I just love it. Love everything about this. Gorgeous. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. There's a lot of shoes over here that looks really great and really good on me. Go on, get in the comment section and let me know which one you like best, which one you're buying for yourself, and which one you're buying for a friend, your mother, your sister, you know, anybody around you. So guys, don't forget to go into the comment section and let me know what company you guys also want me to review for you guys next. I would really love to do that for you guys. Okay guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. I will see you guys on the next upload.